All right, we need to make sure we can go from a percent to a fraction to a decimal and back and forth, okay? So if they give me a fraction, this line, the fraction line, means to divide. So what I would do is I would divide the top number, 22, divided by the bottom number, which is 50. So that's 0.44. Well, that's the decimal. Well, I want to convert a decimal to a percent. I have to move 2 places to the right. So percent has an R in it. So I'm going to move it 2 places to the right. So that's going to be a 44%. Now this one, it's a decimal, so I have to move it to a percent. So all I have to do is move it 2 places to the right. So it is 52%. Now, this one, how do I make 20% into a fraction? Now's when I need you to pay a little bit more attention. So anytime I'm making a percent into a fraction, I always put it over 100. Because if you have all of something, you have 100% of it. So anytime you're making a percent into a fraction, you put it over 100. Now I would do 20 divided by 100, 20 divided by 100, and I'm going to turn that into a decimal. 20 divided by 100 equals 0.2. Well, what did we learn about turning 0.2 into a percent? That would be 20%. Okay? So if I'm going from a percent to a fraction, I put it over 100. If I am going from a fraction to a decimal, I divide. And if I go from a decimal to a percent, I have to move it 2 places to the right.